In this video, we're going to walk through the process of creating the Private AI Foundation with NVIDIA catalog items. Please refer to our previous video on how to create GPU reservations in order for you to have a namespace ready with a GPU reservation for this process. Let's log in to the organization. We'll now confirm that we indeed have one namespace ready with the GPU reservation. Let's go to namespaces. You can see here that we have two namespaces, and there's one with a namespace class called GPU-reservation-A100. This is this is a namespace that we're going to be using for this demo. Go back to Overview and click on Start for the Private AI Foundation Quickstart. This will give you a high-level overview of what's going to be created in terms of catalog items. Click Next. Search for your project. In this demo, we're using a default project, and select the appropriate namespace. Click Next. Now you need to paste the content of your client configuration token from NVIDIA. For this demo, we have an internet-connected environment, so we don't need to change the GPU guest driver location or the registry for an offline one. Let's click on Next. Select the Kubernetes version or the VKR version that you want to use. Your deep learning VM image. This image has to be already uploaded to a content library. And the storage class. Then select the GPU-capable VM classes. This is basically the GPU reservation that was created on a previous video of this series. Then select all the non-GPU-capable VM classes. We're not going to be enabling VCF data services or use a proxy for this demo, so we're going to just go ahead and click Next. Review your settings and click Finish. This will create the resources of the catalog items in this namespace. This will take a few minutes. As you can see, the catalog items are ready. Let's go and confirm that. Go to Build and Deploy. Click on Catalog. And you can see that we have now all the Private AI Foundation with NVIDIA catalog items. We can go ahead and request any catalog item if we want to. Thank you.